Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of Android Blue stuck on your Windows 11 PC. Whether you're looking to run Android apps or just want to explore the Android environment, this guide will help you get set up quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure your PC meets the following system requirements. Windows 11. At least 4 GB of RAM. A decent graphics card. 10 GB of free disk space. Now, let's download Android BlueStack. Head over to the browser and type to search Download BlueStacks. Click to open this first website. Click on the download button for the latest version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Install Now. Now click on Agree option. This will start to download the software, and this will take some time depending on your internet speed. Now that you have Android BlueStack installed, let's configure it. When you first open the application, you'll see a setup wizard. Follow these steps. Click on Next. Again Next. Okay, here you can see we are on this main page. So, all what we have to do, we have to first test by installing any application so that we get the sign page. Here, click to search something like Matatu. Click on Install from Google Play. Here this will pop up. Now click on Sign In option. Here, enter your email address and password. Now click on Install. See, you can download apps from Play Store using this software. Next, if you have a very good machine, you can adjust your emulator settings for optimal performance. Click on Gear icon. Now under CPU allocation, choose like 2 to 4 cores depending on your machine. Now click on Memory allocation. Here, if you have more memory on your computer, you can choose more for your BlueStack. After that, click Save Changes. Click on Restart. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy Android on your Windows 11 PC with Android BlueStack. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.